So today we're gonna make mushroom bacon, and I know it sounds a little different, but we're gonna go ahead and use a secret ingredient that's gonna give it that really rich umami flavor that you find in bacon. And then we're gonna take it and mix it into a modern day BLT sandwich. So to make the mushroom bacon, we're gonna go ahead and use shiitake mushrooms, and we're using Guan's mushrooms. This is one of my absolute favorite mushroom companies because they're organically grown and within the US. So that's why I love these guys. So how we're gonna do it first is clean the mushroom by using a damp piece of cloth, take the tops, and then remove the stem. So just do that for all these. So after we took all the stems out, we're gonna go ahead and chop the shiitake mushrooms into about 1/4 of an inch thick. I love using shiitake mushrooms because they really absorb the flavor nice, and they have a lot of vitamin D, so you're getting some nutrients in there. So for the secret ingredient, we're gonna go ahead and use coconut aminos. And it has a little bit of sweetness and salty flavor, so it really lends that umami-ness that is really reminiscent of bacon. So let's go ahead and add it in here, along with about 2 tablespoons of oil. I have avocado oil in here. It bakes up really nice. Then a generous pinch of salt. And then we're gonna add some pepper. So you're gonna get your hands dirty now and just get in here and mix it all together. This is perfect. You don't want it to be too oily because then they'll get soggy when you bake them off. And if it is, just go ahead and add a few more shiitake mushrooms in there and that'll help absorb it. Now we're gonna just pop it into the oven to bake. So we're gonna bake it on 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes and spread it out evenly. You don't want them to overlap because then they'll get soggy and they won't crisp up. And we want them crispy. I just took the shiitake mushrooms out of the oven and they're looking so good. This is what you want. We use a lot of shiitakes because they shrink down so much. So let's go ahead and make our avocado cream sauce. And for that, all we need is just 1 avocado, a little juice of the lemon, a touch of sweetness from the maple and olive oil mixture, and some fresh cilantro. It's gonna freshen the whole thing up. And then coconut yogurt to make it really creamy. So now we're just gonna blend it in the food processor, and you're definitely gonna wanna add some salt in here too. This is looking so good. And look how beautiful that is with the speckles of the cilantro in here. This is gonna taste so delicious with the mushroom bacon in the BLT sandwich. So let's go ahead and assemble it. So I have a little bit of sourdough here and add the cilantro avocado mixture. We're gonna take the butter lettuce, tomatoes, we're gonna do a little cucumber, and if you're feeling really fancy, you can add some bean sprouts on here, but you don't need to. And now, for the best part, the mushroom bacon. Just add as much as you want and top it off. There we go. Oh my God. Okay, now this is a sandwich. I love doing this because it just shows you everything you can do with mushrooms. It's delicious. I cannot wait to eat this. And if you guys want more information and recipes, just go to mariereginato.com. And for more info on delicious mushrooms, go to guansmushroom.com and enjoy. I hope you guys love it.